Today I'm doing a combination question which is made up of geometric construction and also bearings. So they say that the question is giving, there's a scale drawing. So I reproduce the scale drawing, which is as below that here. So the question say that the scale drawing will show you the position of towns A, B, and C. And then they say A is due north of B. That means is like in this case A, B is right like this, and then this one is probably going to be 90, but in the scale drawing itself, in the drawing, that angle was 90. Okay, so now they say part A, they say find the bearing of C from A. So we would make a 90 degrees layer, a line on here, it made a cross down here, and this is supposed to be the north arrow. Then they say find the bearing of C from A, right? So we're drawing C to A. So that bearing is actually from here to here. So in that case, you would just measure, place the cross on of the protractor on here. Okay, so see there's this cross here. Okay, so I place it on this cross over there here that I drew just now. Okay, then I will just look at the protractor and find the reading over here. It's about 116 or 117. It's about there. So the bearing of C from A is 117. It's in between. So that's part 1. Okay, then the part 2, they say town D is on the bearing of 052, 52 from A, and then 335 from C. So I make another one down here. So this now here, 335 would be, so this is 0 here, so 335 will be over slightly here. So if you take 360 minus 335, that would give me about 25 degrees. So which means, right, if I were to draw like this end here, then this angle here is 25 and this is 335. So here I would have to measure a 25 degree from that side. Then they say 52 from A, so 52 is somewhat here. So imagine, so D would be somewhere around here. So this is the plan. So then what I do is I will first measure 52 from here. Sure, 52 is about here. Then after that, I'm just drawing this point. So here is 52. Then what about 25? So we have to draw a 25 over here. So I tilt the paper a little. So measure 25 here. So 25 will be here. So with that, I will just join C with this one, and I'll extend it further I extend it further, and then it will meet, the two lines will meet. So they say find part B, find and label the position of town D. So this is the position of town D. Then after that, then they say the TV mast is erected equidistant from A, B and C. So we have some recalling to do. So if I have 2 points A and B, when I draw a perpendicular bisector between AB, right? I draw a perpendicular bisector of AB, then any point over here will be equidistant. So in this case, if I want to draw a point that is equidistant between 2 points, then we will draw a perpendicular bisector. So part C, right, we will draw a perpendicular bisector for AB, and then we will draw a perpendicular bisector for BC. So how we draw perpendicular bisector is again like this. Pick the distance which is slightly more than half of the line AB. Then the other end, whoops, it's a bit too far. So it's kind of out of the paper. Right over here, just nice. So when you draw this, please make sure you have a bigger piece of paper, or you draw it more right to the center. So the perpendicular bisector here. Then let's change the color so that you can see. Perpendicular bisector of BC, so what do is slightly more than half. So then you will join these two crosses together. So we will extend this a little. So then they say find the position of M. So the position of M is actually the intersection between the two perpendicular bisectors. So this is M. So this is part C, this is part B. Then finally we have AB. They say given that AB is 6 kilometers. So let's talk about the length of AB on paper. This is 6 centimeters. And then this is 12 centimeters. Okay, so they say that AB is 60 kilometers. So that means 6 centimeter is 60 kilometers. So 1 centimeter is 10 kilometers. So then they say calculate the distance from D to M. So D to M is this distance. So this is the light blue color, I hope you can see. So I measure, it's about 8.2 centimeters here. So you want to find the distance between D and M, right? So it will be 8.2 centimeters times 10, so it's 82 kilometers. Okay, so that's all.